Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your Spotify Wrapped 2022 on your WhatsApp story or any other one on your WhatsApp. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and download the Spotify application if you don't have it, of course, on your phone. You can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you actually did that, you will be able to go and open your Spotify application, and of course from here you will find yourself at this home page. So of course, if you are logged in into your account, if you are not, you'll need to go and log in into your account, or if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create one. It's simple, so just go make it and make an account quickly and go back, log into your account, and you will find yourself here at this home page. So of course, if you didn't find your 2022 Spotify Wrapped, simply I have 3 solutions on this channel, so make sure to go and check them out for more details. Of course, if you don't want the details and you want just the solutions, the first solution is just go and check for any updates on your store, of course, of Spotify. If you didn't find any, just go and restart your phone, and that's what actually worked for me. Of course, if that didn't work as well, just go and clear the cache of your Spotify and you will be actually good to go. So once you did all of that, make sure 100% you will find now your Spotify Wrapped. So when you open your Spotify, just go and click on play and you will be good to start. So as you can see, that will be your Spotify Wrapped. And of course, let me just tell you, some of the stories are shareable and some of them are not. I don't know why. I don't know why they made some of them shareable and some of them are not. Of course, how can you do how can you know if some of them are shareable or not? Just play the whole story, and if they are shareable, you'll find an option share this story at the bottom. As you can see, the first one I didn't have this option, but the second one, let's just wait and see if we will have this option. So let me just wait a bit, it will not take too many time. Let me just lower the volume. As you can see, I have it, so I'm just going to click on it, and as you can see, I have the WhatsApp option. So let me just go and click on that. And here, okay, they're asking me to log in into my WhatsApp, so I'm not going to do that. For you, when you click on it, you will be able to share it to your story. Of course, you can share it to your story or share it to a group or share it to someone. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.